Okay, so we're going to deactivate a airsoft grenade. So this is what we're going to do. Alright, Luke, let's go. Throw some balls, Luke. I'm going to do that. Dude, just pull the freaking pin. There's nothing, Mom, don't worry. Can I keep you still, Luke? Yeah.
Sounds loud.
Nah.
No, it wasn't.
Dude, picture that going off like all of a sudden when you, like, during...
That was hilarious.
Dude, picture this in CQB. Like a Navy, you see like a little one of those Navy SEAL flashlights, you just chuck one over there. And all of a sudden you hear like, all of a sudden you hear like this loud boom and then they're screaming.
Dude, that was hilarious.
That's a huge...
Dude, that scared the crap out of me. I thought I was going to blow up faster that time.
Yeah, I just hear noise. I'm like, uh-oh, here it comes. It's like, BAM! Did you get that on camera?
Yeah,
Did you...
I'm still recording.
You can turn it off.
All right.